Alright guys, I can't see you. We look pretty good up in here. Before we do any Bronco video stuff, we're gonna watch a solar eclipse. I can't see crap out of these things. But it's about to get dark real quick, so we're sitting here waiting for the moon to travel around the sun. So, science. I think we look pretty good.
I don't know, I can't see.
There we go. That's a great shot of the moon starting to travel in front of the sun. Halfway there. $75% of the way. Almost there. Wow, it just got dark in a matter of seconds. Holy crap. That is so sick. It's only 3:15 here in Ohio, and all the street lights are on. This is awesome. And it's starting to come around the moon now. Well, that was fun. Everything's nice and sunny again, nice and bright here. Before we get into the whole spa day detail, freshen up the Broncos for spring, I gotta fix this turd because it died on me yesterday. Long story short, I tried it home for my brothers and the thing just quit running on the side of the road. It kept cranking and cranking and cranking but wouldn't start. So we're thinking fuel issue. Got a fuel filter. I'm gonna put this on there, thinking maybe a bunch of junk got caught up in there while I was sitting over the winter, not starting for a long time. So I'm gonna put this fuel filter on and see if it fixes it. So let's do it. There's the old one. There's the new one. Looks about right. So I yank that thing off, put the new one on. Ta-da! All done. Now that I'm soaked in gas, I got gas everywhere from the lines. It is in, and that was easy. So fuel filter on, tops off antifreeze, battery hooked up. So we'll see what happens. Might take a little bit to get fuel because for the filter, maybe we'll see. Oh, almost. Seems pretty happy right now. Well guys, it might have just been the fuel filter because the Bronco seems a-okay right now. Seems pretty happy. It started right up after a couple times. Yesterday I had to let it sit for like 5-10 minutes for it to start again, then it would die instantly, but I started it right back up like 3 times after killing it, and it seems like it's doing okay. So we're not gonna really know until I start driving it again, but for now I think she's fixed. So let's get these things cleaned up and start the spa day. Y'all ain't gonna believe this crap. So our roads here in Ohio are so freaking bad. That new fuel filter I just put on, the line came off and fuel just going everywhere. So this thing wasn't getting any gas. I hit a pothole right where that like Tacoma is right there, and I had to coast all the way in here because that thing wasn't getting fuel. And then it decided the connection of the battery wasn't good enough. So luckily the dudes here at Advanced Auto hooked us up. We got the connections, we're good to go. So hopefully we can make it this time. This is ridiculous, man. I put new wheels on the Bronco. The thing's trying to be a turd on me. Let's try this spa day once again. One moment, please.
Take 2.
What is this Chevy doing here? What the frick? Get out! Get! Get!
running over the headshot. There he goes. Oh. I thought it was funny. Hilarious. Did you think it was funny?
Hilarious. Not gonna do that.
It's your phone.
Grab my brand new phone. Give me the hose. Don't make me come down there. You better stay back. Oh, sorry, Dad. Didn't do that. Whoa. That thing was rowdy. Holy crap. One of Dad's buddies came over to get some steel cut. That thing made like 600 wheel. Very, very rowdy. Just see a four-wheel sedan. Don't expect that.
Did you hear it leave?
Yeah, you really got on it. That's cool.
I'm gonna miss him falling.
Yep.
Oh, I got it. We're good.
It would've been funny to see him like.
No. Just got to the photo spot, and there's a goddamn peacock on top of the church. What are you doing, bro? What the heck? Is this Kevin from Up? He approves.
You like? Kevin!
Dude, he's so majestic. This is hilarious. All right, now I got my dad's Bronco all buffed and polished out. They're all clean. Time for a little bit of maintenance. Gonna do an oil change on both of these, and I'm going to replace the spark plugs and the spark plug wires. But you know what grinds my gears? Everything right here is Motorcraft. Got Motorcraft filters, Motorcraft plugs, Motorcraft bougie plugs. We got Ford Performance spark plug wires, but Pennzoil freaking oil. No Motorcraft. For some goddamn reason, nobody's selling Motorcraft oil anymore. They only sell 520 and 530. No 1030 though. That kind of grinds my gears. Almost as much as it grinds my gears at these dang socket trays, nice assorted socket things. don't fit in my dang drawer. It's too big. I could put it in the bottom, but I don't want it on the bottom. I want it on the top. So that kind of takes me off. But aside from that, we're going to get these things all maintenanced up and get them ready for the upcoming show season. So get a time lapse. We'll get these things running good. Alright guys, got the new spark plugs and wires in. You can see how nice and bright they are. Don't mind that mess. I gotta clean that rat's nest because that looks disgusting. So another video coming soon might be me cleaning this engine bay up. But got the wires and plugs all in there. You can see how dirty the old ones were. That's what they are now. That's what they were. They're pink, brown, black, all faded and all gunked up. But got this thing done. I had to run to Walmart and get a different oil filter for this because apparently the FL1A does not fit. So I had to go get just a frame that was on there before. But FL1A is too long. There's like only so much room for a filter to fit in there. Here's the spark plugs from the Bronco. They actually don't look too bad. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. For 5 years of wear and tear, like it's not bad. A couple of the back ones are a little black, but got them all changed up. Let's start this thing and see how she likes them. She sounds spicy. All right, guys, the Bronco here is very, very happy with that tune-up. It's running fantastic. It sounds pretty spicy. But maintenance is done for these things. We got oil change on both of them, new plugs, new spark plug wires. I got Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs and Ford Racing spark plug wires. I got everything from Summit Racing in Talmadge, Ohio. We go there a lot. I spend way too much money there because we're only like 20 minutes from there. Next we're going to be doing is on the purple one, my girlfriend Bailey's. We're going to be doing a whole new interior on it. She got purple seats, purple racing seats. She got black carpet. We're going to be blacking out everything inside. Everything's gray, so everything that's gray is going black besides the seats because we got brand new seats for it. I'll actually show you those there right here. Yeah, here's the seats. These things are freaking sweet. Should match a plum crazy purple paint pretty good. And it's got like diamond stitch with like a little bit of white in there to make it pop. That's going to look so sick. And the purple one over here should match pretty good. We'll take a peek inside real quick if you guys haven't seen this thing before. But inside's just all gray. Don't mind that, we'll take that out. Inside's just all gray, so everything is gonna go black besides the seats. Obviously, there's gonna be purple. Might talk her into getting some purple seat belts just to match. But everything that's gray here is getting out. We got carpet, we got a dash pad, everything's going black. That will be the next video on this thing. But for now, it's gonna wrap up the spa day. Everything's nice and clean. Everything's got a fresh maintenance job to it. So the only thing I think to do to end this video is to get some pretty sick rollers. So thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the cinematic rollers of the Broncos.
If you're making oil pressure and it's squirting out the where the dipstick goes in.
What the heck happened?
We don't know.
We stopped here to take promiscuous photos.
Yeah. Yeah, we got oil all over the ground. This thing's leaking oil somewhere. Not good.
I just put a new dipstick tube in it. That's what I thought it was, but it is not.
For it. Well, we got some issues, obviously. Rollers got cut a little short, so that's going to be the end of this video, because I guess we're done taking rollers. Be sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hopefully next time this one will be up and running and not spewing oil everywhere. So, see you guys next time.